Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Paula and my channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I share all things trending in my life. So today, what's currently trending is we're out of pain reliever. Advil is the pain reliever of choice over the counter for my family, and there's actually a really good deal on Advil. It's on sale for $9.99 for the 100 count at Walgreens. So we're going to head down to Walgreens and get not one, but two boxes of Advil. And I'll explain a little later why we're getting 200 tablets of Advil. In addition to the two boxes of Advil, we're going to also pick up some Dawn dish detergent. There's a promotion going on with Dawn where if you buy two bottles, you get back a $1 register reward. Now, why are we picking up the two boxes of Advil, you may ask? Well, two boxes of Advil comes up to $19.98 when they're on sale for $9.99 each. But I'm actually trying to get to $20 because I have a digital spin booster for $5. So I can earn $5 in Walgreens cash when I spend $20. So the way this transaction is going to go down, I'm going to pick up the two boxes of Advil. That's going to be $19.98. But how am I going to pay for that after I add in those Dawn dish detergents? Well, I have two $5 register rewards, and then I'm also gonna clip an Advil coupon that's also gonna take $6 off my transaction. So if you've got the Walgreens app downloaded to your phone, you can go over into the app and search for the Advil coupon. When you get in the app, you're going to see two different coupons. So they've got one coupon currently if you only purchase one box of Advil, but that's not the coupon that you want for this particular transaction. You're going to want to look for this coupon, which is save $6 on Advil, but you have to purchase two, and you have to have a count of 36 or higher. So let's head into the store. When you get at the store, this is the tag that you're going to be looking for. You can see that the Advil is now on sale. And again, you're going to get $5 back in register rewards when you purchase two. So I'm going to grab two bottles of this Advil. Again, this will put us at $19.98. And then we're going to also pick up that Dawn dish detergent, again, which is on sale for $1.24. But when we purchase two, we'll get back a $1 register reward. So let's head to the checkout. This is how our basket looks. I've got the two Advil, the two Dawn, and the two coupons here, and we're ready to check out, and then we'll head back to the house and talk about how the transaction went. Okay, so we are back at the house. Deal went as planned. So we got the Dawn, and this is the 7.5 fluid ounce Blue Dawn, no problem there. Got two bottles of that, and then 200 Advil. So we are now fully stocked on Advil. So if anybody in my family needs a pain reliever, we got plenty. They're easy to swallow. And something else, whenever you're picking up something like Advil, I always check the expiration date. So you can see this expiration date is 7/25. So we got more than 2 years there. And again, 7/25. So we're good there. So yeah, that went well. And we are now fully stocked on pain medication. So let's see what the Catalina machine spit out for us. I love it when a deal goes better than expected. So we got the $1 register reward manufacturer coupon, which I was expecting for the two Dawn. We also got the $5 register reward for purchasing two bottles of the Advil. We got a 20% off on your next $10 or more purchase. And this was the bonus. I got a $3 manufacturer coupon. In addition to that, I also got $5.22 in Walgreens cash. So now let's take a look at the receipt. Okay, bear with me on this receipt. This is the store where they always seem to be out of ink. So you can see the Advil tablet 100 count, two of those at $9.99 each was $19.98. The Dawn, two of those at $1.24 each was $2.48. And then for the coupons, we had the $5 register reward that I originally had, another $5 register reward that I originally had, and in addition to that, the $6 Advil manufacturer coupon when you purchase two. So my subtotal for 200 Advil and two bottles of Dawn was $6, and that looks like 46 cents. Of course, there was tax. So total out of pocket was $8.26. And this is where it gets a little hard to see, but my total savings was $17.10. So as you can see, my opening balance with my cash rewards were 82 cents. I earned $5.22 in this transaction. And remember, the $5 was the digital spin booster. And I now have $6.04. So let's do the complete breakdown. For the two bottles of Advil, that was $19.98. The two bottles of Dawn was $2.48. That brought our total to $22.46 before taxes. Taxes were $1.80. So the overall grand total was $24.26 minus the first $5 register reward that took us down to $19.26 minus the second $5 register reward that took us down to $14.26 minus the $6 coupon, and that took us down to $8.26 out of pocket. Now, our good friend Catalina spit out a $1 register reward for the Dawn, a $5 register reward for Advil. We got $5 in Walgreens cash for spending over $20, and we also got that bonus $3 Advil coupon. So that makes this transaction a money maker. Awesome deal. So great day couponing. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on your notification bell, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. And if you're interested in saving money with me, check out the description box below or the community tab where I post the links to Fetch, Ibotta, and other rebate apps. So take care. Bye, guys.